In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find GoDaddy renewal discount promo codes. If you want to save money on your domain or hosting renewal inside your GoDaddy account, this is a very quick process. The good news is that in many cases, GoDaddy may already apply an available promotional discount automatically during the renewal process, so you do not always need to search for a code manually. To begin, open GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you are inside your account dashboard, look for your Profile section. This is usually where you can access your account settings, purchases, and billing-related options. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, go to the section labeled Renewals and Billing. This area shows the products and services connected to your account that are coming up for renewal. It is the main place you will use when you want to check pricing, payment details, and any active discounts that may apply before you complete a renewal. After opening Renewals and Billing, find the product you want to renew and click Renew Now. This will take you to the renewal checkout page. At this stage, pay close attention to the pricing summary shown on the screen. In many cases, if there is an eligible renewal promotion available, the promo code or discount will already appear automatically in the order details. As you can see on this page, the promotional code may already be placed there for you without needing to enter anything yourself. That means the system has automatically applied the available offer, making the process faster and easier. This is especially helpful if you are not sure where to look for renewal discounts. Before completing the payment, take a moment to review the final amount carefully. Make sure the discount has been applied correctly and that the renewal term matches what you want. It is always a good idea to double-check the total, so you know exactly what you are being charged. If the promo code appears automatically, then you are ready to continue with the renewal. And that's really all there is to it. By going to your profile, opening Renewals and Billing, and selecting Renew Now, you can quickly see whether GoDaddy has already added a renewal discount for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you find GoDaddy renewal discount promo codes quickly and easily.